G'day YouTube, welcome to how to service your Colorado. Yeah. So we're going to give this a just a little bit of loving, give it an oil change, a couple of things like that, and get into it. Sounds good. Let's do it. So we've just been down, we bought a few little things. We've got our filter, oil. If you're looking for the 2.8 litre Duramax R2734P is the Ryco filter number. We're using our oil of choice is a 540 weight, full synthetic, and this was just what they recommended. So, and it was on sale. I'm getting ahead of myself because we've got to get the old stuff out first before we put the new stuff in. So let's do that. What do you reckon, Chip? Yeah? What do you reckon? It's going to be all right? Yeah? We'll get into this, hey? What do you reckon, Puss? Let's jump under here and have a quick look. Let's jump down and have a look before we do too much more. So, just want to see the cool thing about big utes. The cat's about to climb up into the car. The cat is in the car. Anyway, the good thing about big utes is often you can get to stuff, I'm hoping, without jacking it up. I don't know if I'm going to get away with that. I reckon that's where I need to get to, but I am going to have to. It's a big ute, but it's not big enough. So I'm going to have to jack it up. What are you doing, cat? What are you doing? Yeah? It's all steel under here. That's kind of cool. Anyway. Oh, there she is. So that's the, so it looks like a 14. Give that a go. And then we'll have a look at this. The filter looks, the canister, and it looks like it's there. Which means our intake has got to come off. So make sure that's the, yep. Sure that's the one anyway. Alrighty, so we'll start draining the oil. Just got to do that anyway. We'll go from there. It's a bit not be, but anyway. Not 14. I should have known. 15 it is. Okay. That's the one. We'll try with the extension. I don't know if I need the extension or not, but we'll chuck it on. Oh, that was easy. First go. My rag. So 5. We're looking at, oh, come on. There we go. Gotcha. We'll leave that now to drain. I'm feeling very much like a mechanic. That smells and looks and everything. Man, that's coming out quick though. It's good. So we'll see where this thing's at. We've just it's been sitting there for a while now, so we'll. It's looking good. Oh. Check that screw. off. I'll loosen this one right off. Nice. Yeah, so to get into this we need a 13mm. I am hoping that's 13mm now. Yep. 1, 2. I'll see if we can get into those. Okay. Screw is a pain in the butt, but we got it. So there's 3. Oh, that's going to be annoying. How's that even come out? Oh wow, that's whoever designed that. May I just say you suck poo through a straw. There we go. Yep. Man, that's going to be fun to put back in too. So this one down here fouls on the bottom here. Yeah, power steering fluid. See the gap in there? It hits the bottom of this bracket fantastically. If you wanted it to, if hitting was a good thing, it wins the prize. Anyway, how are you? Grab a screwdriver. I mean, I reckon if I can get this bit off, I can work out how that detaches. There we go, beautiful. One, come on. There we go, nice. Ooh, get that off. Excellent. I should be able to, it's big and bulky. I'll pull that off. And while we're here, let me have a quick guess. I grabbed 10s. Yeah, that's right. Over here. Three. Okay, man, that is a decent size air filter. I'll give that a quick blow out with the air compressor. $28. What do we got? 28. Come on. Ooh, a little bit loose. 27. There it is. So it's a 27. Are we still running? I don't even know what's. Yep. Okay. Oh. It's a belt-driven oil. Yep. There we go. Nice. Grab that out. Excellent. Oh. Just gotta yank it. Yep. So in the new kit's got seal for the round pot. It says a clip there, so we're just gonna have to yank the other one off. Steady camera. There we go. Yanky McYank yank. Now, so in here, this is the seal. Make sure it's nice and clean. This is this ute has a full service history, so as expected that's still really good, but we'll change it anyway. Sound, click, click. So I've just put a little bit of oil on those two. So when we push it in like that, they won't pinch. Alrighty, and a bit of a clean. Big awkward looking thing. Oh, hang on, there's a bit of oil there. Oh, yeah, that got there, but we'll yep. Then you should fit into there. I think you have, yep. Right, so it sits over there. There it is. That's good. Perfect. Now, like I said, the reverse of this was I got to try and get this one in first, because this one sort of has to. Oh, there we go. Kind of got it. A bit weird, but we got it. 1, 2. See if I dribble oil absolutely everywhere. I'll go this way. And then I want to check logbooks and stuff, because that's kind of a thing. Bit of a mess down there still. That's all right. That's all part of it, right? Kind of nice to keep the logbook, if we can, keep the logbook up to date with what's going on and stuff. I probably think it's in there. Stomach here. There we go. Yep. Alrighty, so we'll fill this one in, and then yeah, I reckon that's it. So I'm gonna fill in the book, replace the little stickers up the top there, and then that's it. But look, essentially, oh, and I'll look at the next service. So the next service interval, that was 180. The next one's at 195. So I'll, yeah, mark 195, or probably 12 months. Which is probably, I'll do it in 12 months. But look, anyway, there you go. Look, that's a yeah, quick sort of video on how to do a service on the Colorado. How to, what do we do? The oil filters, oil, yeah, change the oil, did the filter, blew out the air filter. That was about it.